everyone. Alicia with eGuide Tech Allies here, presenting this week's newsletter. This week, we want to focus on the old saying, work smarter, not harder. But then we're kind of wondering, how can we actually achieve that, right? So it seems like everywhere we turn, we're faced with new challenges, and we're all just doing our best to stay sane. This week's articles, we will hone in on a few changes that you can make, small changes that you can make, that will make these new challenges seem like child's play, because you're certainly trying to set yourself up for success. The first article, How Project Management Yields Progress, is written by myself, and this piece will take you through the process of breaking down a project step by literal step. It's important to visualize a project from the very beginning to the very end so that you're able to accomplish what you set out to do. There's nothing worse than getting toward the end of the project and realizing that you skipped a step along the way and you've got to kind of scrap it and start all over. Nobody wants to do that. Now, we also remember, we did say work smarter, not harder. So the last thing you want to do is recreate the wheel every single time. The next article is titled Tips to Maximize Your Organization's Intranet. This article was written by Aaron Sless. And essentially what we do is we're telling you that now that you've spent all the time and effort building out your project management steps, it's essential to make sure that you can replicate those efforts. Place all those project management processes and steps somewhere that you can come back to, but it also has a little flair to it. So in case you ever bring somebody else on board the team, rather than having them dig and dive through your Google Drive, you can send them straight to the intranet that has everything there all in one place. So creating and utilizing a hub to centralize that information you keep and share with your team can certainly be that place. Now, when you don't have room in the budget for a new administrative hire, automation can be the solution that you can rely on. Another article titled Our Favorite Zaps, How eGuide Makes Use of Zapier, written by Aaron Sless, explores how eGuide makes use of Zapier and other tools to work smarter, not harder. Because when you have the right tools in place, project success is always within reach. Now, I hope you enjoy this newsletter and the articles we have shared. However, just know that we are always just a short step away, ready to roll up our sleeves and help you out. Have a good one.